I'm Dave Berry. I'm the Director for Digital for CPI's pharma-facing businesses. CPI is the Centre for Process Innovation. What we are is part of the High Value Manufacturing Catapult, essentially a body that exists to help accelerate manufacturing within the UK and, importantly, accelerate innovation in manufacturing within the UK to make the UK strong. The Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre is one of our centres that looks after the chemical processing industries. So the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre does pretty much what it says on the tin, which is deliver medicines manufacturing innovation so that we can push new innovative technologies into medicines manufacturing. Our SMDH deployment's slightly different to others. The thing that's slightly different about it is we already knew how to digitalise what we were doing, but we didn't have a route to help SMEs and others digitalise what they were doing, which is where SMDH has really helped us. The reason that's important is we've got a facility that looks like a manufacturing facility. So with that factory that we've got, we'd worked out how to digitalise, so how best to move information from the assets on the shop floor, take the data, collate it together, and then use it for something and protect it. But what we couldn't do was share it so other people could work out how to do it. So part of our mission as the High Value Manufacturing Catapult is to ensure that other people can learn from that and innovate faster. And the SMDH has enabled us to do that last bit of sharing what we've done in a more effective way. So essentially, it's enabled us to connect to the data hub. So we've pushed a number of our pieces of data specific to how you better drive sustainability. Essentially, the wins there, and SMDH enabled those, was us to be able to collate those pieces of information together and then report them out. So we can tell people how to structure that information in a useful way. Importantly as well, however, is they could then come and speak to us, because what we want to do next is enable people to have a conversation with us about that data to enable them to generate data like it themselves. Big picture for us is to digitalise the UK faster. And that's, again, where SMDH has helped. So target-wise, we've already got around 20 folk that this has helped. We'd like to expand that out, at least to double that, potentially more. And the key thing is we're still here. Even though the SMDH grant has finished, we're still here and will remain here through our mission as part of the Catapult network. And that money has enabled us to communicate better with the world at large. So we'd like to do at least twice the 20 that we've got, and ideally 4 or 5 times that.